Are you tired of making financial mistakes that are holding you back from achieving your goals? Well, you're in luck because in this video, I'm going to share the top financial mistakes to avoid. Hello, and welcome to our channel, Keep Hustling D, and I'm so glad you found your way here. Today we will be discussing top financial mistakes that people make and how you can avoid them. Whether you are a beginner or an expert in managing your finances, it is always essential to be aware of the common mistakes that people make to ensure that you don't fall into the same trap. Not having a budget. The first and most fundamental mistake that people make is not having a budget. Budgeting is essential because it helps you keep track of your income and expenses. Without a budget, you may not be aware of where your money is going, and you may end up overspending. Many people find budgeting intimidating, but it doesn't have to be complicated. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a few months to get a clear idea of your spending habits. Once you have a sense of your expenses, set a realistic budget that aligns with your income and financial goals. Living beyond your means. Another common mistake is living beyond your means. This means spending more money than you earn, which can lead to debt and financial trouble. Many people fall into the trap of overspending to keep up with friends or to maintain a particular lifestyle. However, this can be a slippery slope that leads to financial ruin. To avoid this mistake, you should always live within your means and avoid overspending. It's okay to treat yourself occasionally, but make sure it's within your budget and won't harm your long-term financial goals. Not saving for emergencies. Not saving for emergencies is another mistake that people make. Emergencies can happen at any time, and having an emergency fund can help you cover unexpected expenses without going into debt. We recommend saving at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses in an emergency fund. This may seem daunting, but you can start small by setting aside a percentage of your income each month until you reach your goal. Having an emergency fund can provide peace of mind and help you avoid financial stress during difficult times. Not investing for the future. Not investing for the future is also a mistake that people make. Investing can help your money grow over time, and there are many options to choose from, such as stocks, mutual funds, and real estate. It's important to start investing early and consistently to reap the benefits in the long run. Many people put off investing because they think it's complicated or too risky. However, there are many resources available to help you understand the basics of investing and how to get started. Not having adequate insurance. Not having adequate insurance is a common mistake. Insurance can help protect you and your family from unexpected events, such as accidents, illnesses, and natural disasters. It's important to review your insurance policies regularly to ensure that you have the right coverage. Many people assume that they have enough insurance through their employer or a basic policy, but this may not be enough to cover all of your needs. Consider working with an insurance professional to evaluate your needs and find the right coverage for you. Not planning for retirement. Not planning for retirement is a mistake that can have serious consequences in the long run. It's important to start saving for retirement as early as possible and to make regular contributions to your retirement account. This will help ensure that you have enough money to retire comfortably. Many people put off saving for retirement because they think they have plenty of time or don't know where to start. However, the sooner you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. There are many retirement savings options available, such as employer-sponsored plans, individual retirement accounts, IRAs, and annuities. Not paying off debt. Another financial mistake to avoid is not paying off your debt. Debt can be overwhelming and stressful, and it can also hinder your ability to reach your financial goals. Make a plan to pay off your debt, starting with the debt that has the highest interest rates. Consider consolidating your debt or working with a financial advisor to develop a debt repayment plan. Avoid accumulating new debt while you are paying off your existing debt. Making impulsive purchases. Making impulsive purchases is a common financial mistake that can quickly add up over time. Impulsive purchases can be anything from small purchases at the grocery store to big-ticket items like a new car. Before making a purchase, take the time to consider whether it aligns with your financial goals and whether you really need it. Consider waiting a day or two before making a purchase to give yourself time to think about it. Not reviewing your credit report. Not reviewing your credit report is another financial mistake that people make. Your credit report contains information about your credit history, including your credit score, credit accounts, and payment history. It's important to review your credit report regularly to ensure that there are no errors or fraudulent activity. You can request a free copy of your credit report once a year from each of the 3 major credit reporting agencies. Reviewing your credit report can help you identify areas for improvement and help you maintain good credit. Not seeking professional financial advice. Not seeking professional financial advice is a common mistake that can have serious consequences. Many people assume that they can manage their finances on their own or rely on advice from friends and family. However, working with a financial advisor can help you develop a comprehensive financial plan that aligns with your goals and needs. A financial advisor can provide guidance on budgeting, saving, investing, retirement planning, and more. Consider working with a certified financial planner or other qualified financial professional to help you achieve your financial goals. In a nutshell, avoiding these financial mistakes can help you build a strong financial foundation and achieve your long-term goals. Remember to create a budget, live within your means, save for emergencies, invest for the future, have adequate insurance, plan for retirement, pay off debt, avoid impulsive purchases, review your credit report, and seek professional financial advice. By taking these steps, you can be on your way to achieving financial freedom and security. We will be explaining all these mistakes in a broader scale in our upcoming videos. So, stay tuned. Till then, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and advice.